Assalamu alaikum guys, hello guys, this is hair dryer. It's not working. Even it's moving that off, hot, cold, it's not working. It's connected to electricity over here, this one. There. This one. Not even working. I will open this one. I will troubleshoot it. What's the problem with it? I will let you know. Okay guys, I disassemble it, all of that one. But I found the wire is broken from here. Like this one, this hole. The wire is broken, burnt out from here. So I will make a joint over here. I will check it. If it will work, I will let you know more. Okay guys, this one broken over here. I make a joint. I put a sleeving on that. This heat shrink sleeving. I will heat it up, shrink it, and I will show it to you. Okay guys, I made a joint over here. I put an electrical tape too over that. I put heat shrink underneath that one, electrical tape, and this is heat shrink tubing. 125 centigrade shrinks, so it's good enough now. I have to change this one. I will change it, new one. I will put a new wire. Only I'm showing to you how to troubleshoot. First of all, start from the wire and then switch, and then over that, and then this one, coil, heating coil, fan. Then afterward that one, start from at this switch with the ampere meter. Check it. If it's not working, then open this one. So the wire was broken from here, from the joint, from this. So I made a joint over here. I will check it. If it's working inside that one, then I will put this whole wire, new one. Thank you very much guys. I will show you next. Okay guys, I just fixed this one wire, and this assemble it, this whole hair dryer. I connect it to electricity over here, this one. Here, this one, removing this one. Okay, now I will check if it's working. It's okay. If it's not, I will open it again and go further. Okay. Yeah, it's working now. Let's go here. Yeah. Oh man, that one. This is from made in Japan. This one, this very nice product. It's very old product. It's like 40 years old. Like this one. Oh yeah, come on, focus it here. Like that. Okay, thank you very much. It's National Hair Dryer, 800 watt. It's working. It's got to go. Thank you very much. If you have any question, comment to me. If you like my video, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs up, subscribe, share it, and comment please. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.